bottleneck is clear. Data centers are not going online fast enough. So we built something different, something faster. Introducing GigaBase, a new pre-engineered systemized approach to data center infrastructure development. GigaBase is a fully pre-engineered system that can be deployed to any energized site in as little as 9 months. Every module is manufactured on our factory floor and ready to connect on arrival, reducing field labor hours by 90%. The heart of the system, the GigaPod, is where compute power lives. Pre-engineered white-space compute pods with a rack-ready design that drops into data halls to scale with any project. The power chain includes medium-voltage switchgear handling utility energy, power skids to step down and deliver voltage, a UPS e-house module with lithium-ion batteries to bridge any utility interruption, and our diesel generator module to ensure power stays stable with no interruptions. The electrical glue module ties power distribution across the system. In the cooling chain, the air-cooled chiller manages heat rejection with maglev compressors, as the cooling glue module delivers temperature control for each AI pod. We're reimagining time to power in the AI age, where speed is everything. One partner, one timeline, one system. Shovel-ready to rack-ready in 9 months. Built by a team with extensive experience in AI infrastructure and manufacturing, Giga has developed a new approach to match the speed the new AI age needs. Never accept delays again. Deploy your next project at Giga Speed.